Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to connect Zus On-Board Updated. Plug the ZUS dongle into the OBD Roman 2 port under the dash, keep the ignition on but engine off, then open the ZUS app. Follow the app prompts to add a device, name your vehicle, and confirm the Bluetooth pairing request. If pairing fails, toggle Bluetooth, restart the app, and reinsert the dongle before trying again. Open the ZUS app and tap Add Device, then allow Bluetooth and location permissions when prompted so the app can detect the dongle. With the dongle plugged in, select the detected device and accept the pairing request shown on your phone. The app may install a small firmware update which can take a minute. Do not remove the dongle during this step. Once confirmed, your vehicle should appear in the app and report data. If this video is helping, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful guides. Quick recommendation: grab little trees, black ice to banish stinky car odors while you work on your ZUS OBD setup. It fits neatly in cup holders and smells clean on long drives. Check the description for the product link and other deals to support the channel. Now let's get back to the video. If pairing stalls, try a quick restart. Remove the dongle, reboot your phone, then plug the dongle back in and reopen the app. Confirm the port has a firm connection and no plastic covers are blocking contacts. Disable other nearby Bluetooth devices temporarily and make sure your phone is within a few feet of the dongle. If problems persist, consult the app support chat or try pairing with a different phone for isolation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.